ACME True Q dynamic motion seats provide signature sensations and cues that match in-flight events and aircraft changes. It's realistic motion specifically for training. With True Q, you feel the aircraft move in free flight, feel engines rumble in forward acceleration. You even feel harness tensions and seat pressures announcing negative and positive Gs. You can feel the unique bangs, buzzes, or shakes that are hallmarks of specific aircraft malfunctions. There's all these sensations and more with ACME True Q dynamic motion seats, but it's not just motion for training, it's motion as training. Train for smooth taxiing, turning, and braking using motion feedback. Use lightning-fast roll and yaw cues for practicing controlled hovering. Use the cues for practicing liftoff with heavy load slung beneath the helicopter. Train for the effects of translational lift, throttle changes, and rotor blade bite at high AOA. Practice precise control inputs needed to grab the refueling basket in the turbulence behind the tanker. For fast movers, practice terrain following with thermal turbulence. Use the buffets from close formations to practice staying with your wingman. Train using G cues for aggressive maneuvers in inverted flight. Use the seat's pressure cues to train for maintaining energy states during the G's loads as the airspeed bleeds off. Train for controlling aircraft loads during pop-ups and gun runs to prevent over Gs. Train for specific G-limited events like breakaways. Practice cross-checks triggered by gear rotation and thump in the wells. Practice grabbing the cable or making instant go-arounds on a bolter. Safely train for critical emergencies too. Use motion and stall cues to practice rotor faders and auto rotations. Train for heavy pitching and rolling while landing in the roughest possible weather. The difference with an ACME True Q dynamic motion seat is realistic motion cues for mission events, not gratuitous buzzing from a shaker or vertical-only cues from single-channel systems, not slow cues from a motion platform that moves then wash out. ACME True Q dynamic motion seats provide real-time, multi-channel cues for even the fastest fighter maneuvers. Feel it, train it, all on an ACME True Q dynamic motion seat.